but you won't let me love you. Yeah! Party people all around the town. It's the ODB, kid. Once again, coming through your area. And I'm gonna tell you one time, you gonna love this. I'm the one-man army, ace on. I never been tooken out. I keep MCs looking out. I drop signs like Crosby dropping babies. Enough to make a nigga go crazy. In the G building, taking all types of medicines. Cause you thought you were better than a son. I keep planets in orbit while I be coming with deeper and more shit. Enough to make you break and shake your asses oxygen. Rhyme good as the tasty cake makes. This style I mastered in. Niggas catching headaches, what? You need aspirin? This type of pain you couldn't even kill with Midor. What? Round gets sprayed with Lysol in your face like a can of mace, baby. Is it burning? Well, see now you learning how. I don't even like your profile. It's like blow. Mad styles. I seen and heard. No one knows. You forget. Niggas be quiet as cat. Now you know nothing. Before you know a whole blood clot lot. You don't wanna get shot. A lot of MCs came to my showdown and watch me put the low down. As you can go below zero, without a doubt, I never been taken out by a nigga who couldn't figure. Yeah, by a nigga who couldn't figure. Yeah, by a nigga who couldn't figure how to pull a gun trigger. Get out of here! Nigga wanna get too close to the utmost, but I got stacks that'll attack any whack host. Introducing your fuck that nigga's name. My hip hop drops on your head like rain. And when it rain, it pours. Cause my rhymes hardcore. That's why I give you more of the raw talent that I got. Will rock the spot. MCs, I'll be burning hot. Whoa ho ho, let me like slow up with the flow. If I move too quick, oh, you just won't know. I'm homicidal when you enter the target. Nigga, get up, act like a pig, try to hog shit. So I take your ass out quick, the mic's I'm had it, my nigga. You can suck my dick. If you wanna step to my motherfucking rep, blow, 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 blown to death. You got shot cause you knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Another motherfucking hard rock. Slacking on your back cause raw's what you lack. You wanna react? Bring it on back. Shame with you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, what? My nigga. Shame on you. Shame on you when you stepped up to. Shame on you when you stepped up to. Shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, shame on you when you stepped up to the old dirty bastard. Brooklyn, what? My nigga.